Hello, it's Jim. In this quick video, I'll show you around my new FAQ formulator. I've always been a big fan of FAQs. I use them on my blog posts. I use them on my sales pages. I use them in emails when I'm promoting affiliate products and services. I use them on my bonus pages. They're very helpful to head off support and to increase conversions, and they're actually having quite a revival. In 2026, FAQs are really helping people get better ranking in search engines and in AI answer engines. So the only qualm I've had with FAQs is they're timely to create. You need to scour the information you want an FAQ for, come up with questions and answers, and this basically does it all for you. So let me show you around real quick. We're going to open up a new project, and here we would put in the information of the page that we want to create an FAQ for, but I like to simply paste it. So I'm going to copy this URL. This is one of my blog posts here about getting traffic for affiliates, and we're going to paste it right in here. We can put in a product or service name, but since this is a blog post, we'll leave this blank right here. We scrape the URL, and then we click next. It's pulled all the information from that blog post, and we're going to go ahead and add a project name. We'll call this one blog post 1 FAQ, and we can add a category if we want. We'll skip that. We can change the language if we want. We'll leave it at English. As you can see, there's Swedish, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, Polish, all the main languages that you would use. So we're going to leave this. This is a drop-down menu. We're going to leave it at blog post FAQ because that's what we're getting for this particular project. And we'll cover this part next. So we're leaving it at blog post FAQ. We're clicking generate, and a ginormous prompt is working behind the scenes right now, analyzing all the data on that blog post and coming up with the top 10 questions and answers that people might have about the particular blog post. So here they are. Question 1, how can live product demos benefit affiliate marketers? And there's the answer. As you can see, these are thoughtful questions with comprehensive answers, and that's why these FAQs can help so much with ranking in search engines and AI engines. So if we like what's there, we can simply export it as a doc file, a text file, a PDF file, or HTML file. In this case, since I'm using it on an existing post, I would export it as a text file, and here it is right here, frequently asked questions, and I could simply copy and paste this right into the bottom of my blog post, and I have an FAQ. Now let's go ahead and do a sales page. So let's save this. We save this project, and we'll start a new project. And in this particular case, I have a sales page for my infographic income formulator, and it's a nice sales page, but there's no FAQ at the bottom. So I want to help this get ranked in search engines, and I also want to head off some support questions as well as increase my conversions. So an FAQ section will really help with that. So let's get one. So let's get the URL right here. We'll copy it, and we'll come over here and we'll paste it in, and we're going to scrape it. But first, let's name the product, and it's infographic income formulator. And then we're going to click scrape. It gets all the information from the sales page. We click next, and we'll call this infographic FAQ, and we'll have no category. We'll leave it in English. Now we're going to change this drop-down menu to sales page FAQ. So I'm scouring my own sales page for great FAQs that I can put onto the sales page. I can also scour an affiliate page, a sales page of an affiliate link that I'm going to be promoting, and I'll show you that in a second. So let's go ahead and see what it found. Frequently asked questions. What is infographic info formulator? Who is the infographic income formulator designed for? What are the key benefits? How does it work? What features does it have? Is it suitable for beginners? and great questions. If I wanted to add one, I could, or I could change a question. Let's see, is there any training or support available? While specific training or support, you know what? Let's change this to yes. The infographic income formulator simplicity and ease of use suggests that extensive training is unlikely to be necessary. However, a video is included with your purchase. So there we go. I made a change. And now we could export this as document text, PDF, or HTML file. And then we would simply add this information right into the bottom of the sales page. So this is also super useful. Let me go ahead and save this. If we wanted to get FAQs for a affiliate product we're promoting, we would simply start a new project, and then we would put the sales page URL here, scrape it, and we would get FAQs that are pertinent to the product we're promoting as an affiliate. So those FAQs we could put onto our bonus page, we could put into an email, and it will increase your conversions. And I think you're going to love FAQ Formulator. I'm going to sign off now so this video doesn't get too long. Enjoy.